Hey guys, okay, so happy Halloween. I hope everybody's ready. Lots of Halloween stuff going on. There's scary movies in the theater, there's scary shows on Netflix, there's scary video games to be playing, and now it's time to start carving the pumpkin. I'm not carving the pumpkin, but I'm showing you something I saw on the internet just 2 days ago, and I got to try it. So this is the quickest way to clean out your pumpkin. I believe we're going to try it out, and you're going to need a drill, and you're going to need you're going to need the blade from one of your hand mixers. As you know, I'm a fan of cutting the bottom out of a pumpkin, so I'm going to do that right now. So I got the bottom cut out of my pumpkin, and as you can see, there's lots of slimy, stringy stuff in there. Okay. Wow. Kind of mushy. It's kind of like mush, just comes all out. All right, so the hardest part was cleaning off the little spinny device, but yeah, it does a really good job. Can you see in there? So I'm going in. You can see everything's hollowed out. Look at that. You did a good job, guys. It took a little bit more than 2 minutes, but I'll tell you this, always cut the bottom out so you can just set your pumpkin right on the candle. It'll light up all night. The top doesn't fall in. It looks beautiful. Take care, and I'll see you on the next episode. Bye-bye.